Alright, we're gonna start this thing up. Just had it running a second ago, so it should start. I gotta hold it with my foot. Wow. I'm gonna loosen up this screw here. Gotta go grab myself a socket and a Sharpie and tape, maybe. I mean, even if I don't put it back on right, I think I can adjust it to figure it out, so it's not that big of a deal.
Alright, let's see here. Wow, that's tight. Oh, Jesus. There it goes. Wow. You really don't want that coming out there, huh?
Now let's make sure the choke is all the way off. It is, so it should be right there. So that's all we have to remember, really. If that's all the way off, the choke should be right there. If the choke's all the way off, it should be right there. Barely even need to mark these if I'm doing it with a video camera. Yep, that's definitely how it goes, unless it goes up any further. It doesn't, so, oh. See, so it's right about there where we need to mark. So let's grab our Sharpie, just make some marks on where we need to put this back. Okay, now we need to just let that dry for a second. Let's go ahead and take this off right here, because I don't think that's helping anything. Of course it's tight. Of course everything else.
Let's go ahead. I'm just going to put that back in anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, now let's try this. Wow, how do you get this off here? Without breaking it. I suppose you could probably... Oh my god, wow.
There it comes. Okay. Voila! Ta-da! There we go. And I got it. I got it marked. Now we just set that off. Well, I can't really set it off to the side. Let's put it on over here. Or not. Okay. Well, now what we need to do, I think, what we're looking at, is we need to take off that right there, but first we have to come and unscrew the two bolts at the bottom of the intake. So let's go ahead and do that first. There it comes. Looks like we got a lock washer on the bottom. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove this plate so I can actually do this here. I think you kind of have to. Oops, one side's up. Don't know my size either, so.
Like different. No, I'm not using an air ratchet. Oh, yeah, the air ratchet's there. Oh, this thing is just about shot. Oh. Well, what does this cover even do? I don't understand. Like, I'm just gonna put the screws back in.
Like this one holds on a. Can you guys even see what I'm doing here? Let's go down here. Taking off that plate. There we go. Oh, look at that. Sweet. Go back up to the carburetor here. I don't know if that's gonna help. Should. Okay, now let's grab our socket. Alright, carburetor's gonna start to come off here in a second. Okay. So I've got the throttle adjuster here. Just go ahead and see if we can take this out. Oh, you son of a... Okay, that's how we do it. There's the carb, guys.